no one else will ever take your place. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have another video tutorial for you, and if you want to see how I transform from daytime to this nighttime look, just keep on watching. I am going to use the Master Palette by Marylou from Anastasia Beverly Hills. For our transition shade, I am going to use Lula, which is a grayish to brown color and has a cool undertone. And I am just going to put that on my crease in a windshield wiper motion. For the lid, I am going to use Marina, which is a pinky rosy kind of shade. And because brush doesn't give justice to the pigment and how beautiful this color is, I am just going to use my finger. And then I am just going to highlight the tear duct and the brow bone using the Balm Marylou Minizer. And then I will just curl my lashes and then use Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. I still prefer the pink Lash Sensational as compared to this one. I would say the one of the pink is much better. Let me know if you want a separate review or comparison of the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascaras. And for the final touch, I am going to use the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade 133, which is Rosewood. So this one is a very neutral pink everyday color, and it has a satin finish. So there you have it, your daytime slash office slash everyday makeup look. It's very simple and easy to do. And now we are going to transform this to nighttime look. In case you will have a date or a party after work, here we go. Okay, to intensify the eye, I am going to use Violetta, which is the brown color in this palette. It has a matte finish. It is very pigmented. It gives you the color that you want. It's so buttery and all that. This is a really good palette, a really good shade. So I am just going to put that on the outer and inner corner, leaving the middle part blank because I want to do the halo look, and then just feathering it out a little just to give that smoky effect. Just don't mind me every time that you see me singing because, well, I do play a music every time I do filming, so yeah, just don't mind me, it's just my thing. And I'm just reapplying the shade Marina on the middle part. And for everything to be blended and no harsh lines, I am going to use Isabel, which has a warm tone, and I'm just going to put that all over the crease. And for the eyeliner, I'm going to use the Revlon Colorstay Liquid Eye Pen, and I'm just lightly putting that on the outer corner, and just on that part, not going all the way to the inner part because I just want a little bit of wing. And for the lower lash, I'm going to use Dior Brow Eyeliner, and I'm just going to smudge that, and at the same time mixing Lula and Isabel and blending it all on my lower lash. This part is optional. You can put false eyelashes if you want to, if you are comfortable wearing it, but if not, then you can just go with your normal mascara. And of course, to finish this look, I am going to use the Chanel Allure ink in the shade 154, which is Experimente or Experiment. And this is their version of a liquid lipstick. It's very comfortable to wear, and I love how this glides so smoothly on my lips and how pigmented it is, and it's not drying on the lips. So there you have it, your nighttime makeup look. You can now have dinner with some friends or go on a date or party. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and share this video, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button below so that you will notify every time that I have a new video. And yeah, thank you. See you on the next one. Bye!